Howdy peeps, holy moly. It has been a very long week with Mr. Apollo, getting him to finally, holy cow, get out of that mindset that he was in, which he kind of taps into on occasion still, but man, we're working on it. He is highly anticipatory, anxious because of that, insanely impulsive, and doesn't know how to operate or self-regulate all of those emotions. So we've been working hard on stilling this boy's mind, and man, are we going at a snail's pace because of it. But he has made some significant progress in the past couple of days. He's really starting to settle into his training. He's able to tap into focus with me, and it's all been made possible with this bad boy. So I'm going to show you how much progress we've made. We are so close to taking this kid off campus. We're just tying up some loose ends, and man, we're about there. So let's see what he gives us. Apollo, come, good boy. Sit. Good. That's a good boy. That's good. That's good. Shh. Good. Biggest issue for him is holding these sits or holding a down stay when I walk away. So that's where we've been really working on his state of mind. He's got major anticipatory anxiety. Apollo, come. Good boy, buddy. Good. Sit. Sit. Anytime I have to repeat a command, I'm tapping the button. We are adding a new element into this, which is the Cavaliers running around and making noise. This causes a little bit of overwhelm and concern, and now you're seeing him having to work through that element. Come. Oh boy. Sit. Good. That's a good boy. Good boy. That's good. That's good. Good boy. Good boy. Come. Good job, Apollo. Now we're entering into some uncharted territory. Good boy, buddy. Never been in this room. Good. Good. He's been in the others. Good boy. That's good, bud. That's a good man. That's good. At any point he gets distracted, I just simply press that tone button, and he follows me. Good boy, bud. Sit. So now, good. That's good. That's a good boy. We're gonna head outdoors where distractions are even higher. We're gonna see if he can hold that down stay when I walk out of sight. Come. Good boy. Down. Good. Now this is where I want his state of mind completely relaxed. I want him fully settled. Right now I can see like there's an element of concern on his face, mostly because there's activity going on and he's trying to process that, and it's coming up against some friction, which is him having to hold a command. So I'm gonna get him to settle completely before I walk out of sight, so that his downstay becomes way more reliable. Down. 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 Once his head is down, pressure goes away. We want him fully settled, whether he's in public or on place or needing a little bit more reinforcement. We want his mind fully committed. It's really hot out right now, so I'm not terribly concerned with him settling his head. I can read whether or not this little kid is becoming worried or concerned, or is anticipating something. Right now, he's pretty relaxed. He's just hot because it's almost 90 degrees out here. So now I'm gonna walk away and see if he can hold this command while I walk out of sight. Good. And now I'm gonna walk out of view and back into view and see if he can hold this command. Good boy. That's good. That's a very good boy. That is a very good boy. That is so good. And that deserves a big belly rub. Hello. Come. Good boy, buddy. That's good. Good. So he stayed near me. That is a great sign. That's deferential behavior, where he's deferring to me to make his choices for him instead of making them impulsively on his own. Sit. He went for some shade. The sand is hot. Good boy, buddy. Come. Good. Good boy. Good. I'm gonna shut this gate. Good job, buddy. Good. Sit. Apollo, sit. Good. Good. So these are the things that we are continuing to work on, as you can see. Good boy. Good. That's good. Come. Place. Down. Go boy. So you can see the loose ends that we still have. Those will be tied up within the next day or so that we can get this guy off campus and see, whew, what else we got to work on, right? Stay tuned. Free. Go, go, go.